In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subtasks in Notion. If you want to keep your notes, projects, or daily checklists more organized, using subtasks in Notion is a really simple and effective way to do it. Subtasks let you break a larger task into smaller, more manageable parts, which makes it easier to track progress and stay focused on what needs to be done next. To get started, create a to-do list block in Notion. This will be your main task. You can do this anywhere on your page where you want to build your checklist. Once the to-do item appears, type in the name of the main task clearly, so it's easy to recognize. This top-level task will act as the parent item for anything nested underneath it. Next, to turn another task into a subtask, create or place the cursor on the task you want to move beneath the main one. Then press the Tab key on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, Notion indents the task to the right and places it underneath the main task as a nested item. This visual indentation shows that the task is now a subtask rather than a separate main task. It's a quick way to create structure without needing any extra menu or complicated settings. This is especially helpful when you are planning multi-step work. For example, instead of having one broad task with no detail, you can keep the main task at the top and place the smaller action items directly underneath it. That way, everything stays grouped together and is easier to scan at a glance. If you ever indent a task by mistake, or you decide that it should no longer be a subtask, you can easily move it back out. To do that, press Shift and Tab at the same time. Notion will bring the task back to the main level, removing the indentation. This lets you quickly adjust the structure of your list as your plans change. A helpful tip is to pay attention to the spacing and alignment of each item, because that makes it easy to see the relationship between main tasks and subtasks. Keeping your list neatly structured can make even a long checklist feel much easier to manage. And that's all there is to it. Create a to-do list block, press Tab to indent a task as a subtask, and use Shift plus Tab to move it back to the main level. Once you get used to it, this becomes one of the fastest ways to organize tasks inside Notion.